Hello everybody, Mr. Waffles here, and today we are checking out the Even More TNT mod. And I will put the link in the description if you want to check it out. Interesting, a village. I got some ideas, but I'm not gonna do it yet. Okay. Well, I'm gonna start. There's a lot of TNT here for me. I'm gonna try to do it in one video, but if I can't, probably there could be like 2 parts to this and stuff. I'll be messing around with this. I might have some ideas for some, things. Yeah, I definitely have some ideas to, have fun. And here, first thing I have here is a teleporting TNT. I'm dumb. I need a flint and steel. Flint and steel. Boom. There you go. Flint and steel. A teleporting TNT, I honestly have... What on earth? So, whoa, that's cool. I think it auto-targets? I'd say, look, it, goes to where the mobs are most. It's like... never mind. Bad idea. Mining TNT. I'm on a flat world, so... It's probably like... What? What? Nani? 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 Someone tell me. Please tell me. What does this do? What does this do? Someone did to me. Oh, okay. Whoa. Chillax, my dudes. Chillax. Okay. I'm guessing it does like a huge hole in the middle, which is pretty cool. Next up. Fiery TNT. I'm gonna guess this is something like this. I haven't checked out this mod. This is my first time, checking out this mod too. So I don't know if it's 2, because you guys probably checked it out before. You might have. Whoa! And I have a perfect TNT. Here's a water flow. Okay, I need to do the lightning storm TNT, which sounds pretty cool, honestly. I have some ideas for the times 20 and stuff. Let's check this out. Lightning storm TNT. Okay, I have a horrible computer. I don't think my computer can handle this. Oh my goodness. See, if you saw that, that was quite an explosion. Here is a waterflow TNT, which I'm going to use to put out the fire. Guessing it's probably water, because in its name. Someone please tell me what happened to the TNT. What? Whoa, what the just happened? What on earth just happened? What on earth just happened? What? I mean, what's better to put than... I have an idea. Trigger both these TNTs and it's gonna make like a giant obsidian. Nope, I was dumb. Okay, this waterflow TNT is really good. Like, if you want to break someone's base, like prank them, which, yeah, I'm horrible at pranking. I keep messing up people's houses. And... Oh, what the? I have some ideas for this TNT. I have some good ideas for this. Whoa, okay, I have an idea. Okay, here's some, good ideas you can have. You can combine these with, something like that. Like this. Okay, this is gonna take off. 1, 2, 3. So it pulls me to Morzawhiddle in the middle. It hits me lightning, sends me in lava, and then explodes. That's a pretty good combo. But then again, you should trigger that first. No, trigger fly up and then land in lava. That'd be pretty cool. But, yeah, same cool combo. Anyways, Bunker Buster. Honestly, I hope this is what on earth is happening? Oh god. What the flippy flip flop just happened? What? Where did it go? I'm blind. Not making fun of blind people, I'm literally blind. Where did it go? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Oh my goodness, where'd it go? I've literally I have an idea. Oh god, there goes all my TNTs. I just had a bunker. Yeah, there it is. Found it. Okay, anyways, yes, the bunker TNT. No, it's called the Chunk Buster. The Biome Buster and the Slimy TNT. Airstrike. Cluster. Festive. I'm actually pretty excited for some of the World Buster. Okay, boys, if someone wants to watch me use their World Buster, yeah, I'm gonna use the Slime TNT first. I just forgot a flint.
I'm about to show you the quickest and easiest way that any.
I'm not trying to do stuff. Okay. Things. Flint and steel. It was like an ad about like how to earn $1 million in a day, which fake. Flint and steel. Slime TNT. This is. What? Wait, what? Is it hopping around? Oh my goodness. What? This is so overpowered. Wait, what? Does it ever stop? Like, does it have to be killed or something? Like, what? I'm gonna leave it there. I'm just gonna be like, I'll be back, bro. I'll be back. Okay, Biome Buster. I'm gonna start with like the smaller guns, you know? I don't want my game to crash already. Okay, my game might just not respond and then just video ends, you know? Why does this keep happening? Oh, it did. Oh, what the hell happened? What are those in the middle? Can someone tell me what those in? Oh, I think those in the middle are the cluster. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Oh, what? Well, that was cool. Okay, what? Why is there so much? Someone help. My game is about to crash. I don't think my game can even handle Biome Buster. I'm not joking, I can't even handle Biome Buster. Let's not even try World Buster, okay? It'll literally just crash my game. Okay, well that's Airstrike TNT. I want to say that's in the... What the heck? Wait, what? That's destructive. As you can see again, here's Cluster TNT. Wait, Airstrike TNT, don't mess around with that. Villages are gone, man. Okay, so Cluster TNT spawns about like a 10, 25? TNT Festive. I'm really excited for this one. I think it looks really cool. I like rainbows. Unicorns and rainbows. Yeah. Oh my god, it's beautiful. That's actually beautiful. Wait, I want to see something. That looks actually dope. 1, 2. Let's see something. I want to see something. Probably just like each other, but I'll see the glitchiest thing in my MJ Pro. It's probably like a slime team, honestly. Yo, it's your brother's slime team. Whoa. Let's go. How does that even make my game? I don't even know anymore. Okay. Honestly, boys. Well, boys, see you on the other side. Prepare for the not responding to happen. Are you ready? Oh my god, my computer just, I swear, it's gonna crash my game. It's literally gonna crash my game. My video is just gonna end as soon as it crashes my game. Everything just stopped. Like, literally just stopped. Like, everything just gone. I'm gonna hide in this house, bro. Honestly, this house house right here, bro, it's getting blocked by 2 walls. Not 1 wall, but dos walls, bro. Dos. Question mark? Well, I'm gonna keep going on with my yeah, Miner's Delight. This is this next. It just disappeared. Okay, my game crashed, definitely. Okay, great. Let's just stand here and watch, and I will cut back when it actually explodes, or I don't even know if it will ever explode. Oh, the XP still works. I mean, the XP didn't get like destroyed. Like, it's about, what I don't understand is, I mean, what does World Buster even do? Does it make the whole, like, I don't know. I, like, literally, I didn't do, like, that much research on this. I mean, I, like, saw some stuff, but, well, wait, here's the page. I'm gonna put the link in the description for, you know, Switch. But, what? Okay. What? Oh my god, it's like six Biome Busters and one boom. Oh shit. Well boys, new world! Just, you're gonna need like a good PC in order to run that. I have a horrible, I don't even really have a computer, bro. We'll put, honestly, my game just stopped. Honestly, it's just like, what video ends here? I have like a part of me was like, I have really nothing to do. Like, what am I supposed to do in this situation? Please tell me. I might do a part 2 if this doesn't go too wrong. Okay, peace.